behind the 8 ball now, aren't you? You've got 12 hours to find and deactivate 4 commission bombs. They're hidden all over the world. It's up to you to find them in time and deactivate them. If you don't do it in time, you're sunk.
What are you going to do, Agent Fuego? How are you going to defuse all the bombs in only 12 hours? That's not enough time. It's impossible.
Do you find yourself working around the clock to get everything that you need done, but you still find that you don't have enough time in the day? Do you ever wish that you could just multiply yourself?
The old way of making money online, it's just way too time consuming.
What if you could virtually multiply yourself so you can multiply your money on demand with no extra work or time, all with the click of a button?
Forget everything that you thought you knew about making money online. The Fuego method is the new way to make money, and it's way more powerful.
Introducing, for the first time ever, the Fuego Multiplier.
It's now time for you to make some money online.
Oh my God, you multiplied yourself.
Agent Fuego, you did it, even with hours to spare.
The Fuego Multiplier enables me to make money in multiple places on the same day. And all of that in a fraction of the time that it used to take. So now I have time and money on my hands. With the Fuego Multiplier, you don't need to have a website, you don't need to have an email list, you don't need to worry about Facebook ads, and no, before you think about it, you don't need to do review videos either. You don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge, and there's no funnel creation involved. It's just straight up, point and shoot, newbie friendly commissions.
This is the new way to make money online, and it's something that you absolutely have to see.
The Fuego Multiplier also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk.
Go ahead, the water's warm. Join before the price goes up.
Click the button below to multiply yourself today.